Stop playing.
Hey, RDB for the takeover, bitch ass boy.
Get out your top, bitch. Get out your top. Yeah. Get out your fucking top. Bitch.
He always cooking shit.
Talking out your top, we got the drop, go bust your top. Me and my little brother ride around, sending shots. You can talk this shit and play it cool, but you a op. Selling boo-boo rocks on never block, so come and shop. Say, bitch, come and shop. We riding with these blocks. Big brother said go get him, tryna knock him out his socks. RDB some red demon, baby, bitch, we hot. Since Christmas coming up, doing like Rudolph, red dot. Bitch, we ride around with them chop. Try to play, you get popped. Pussy bitch, boy, you get shot.
I been ready crashing out. I landing while you flashing out. Bitch, don't play with me, I'm down. Choppers hold 100 rounds. Ready
He
to
always
gun
cooking
get down.
shit.
Take me jiggy and pop forward, now I'm up. Punch me in this shit, now you falling down stuck. Tripping off that moody, used to be stuck. Now I'm smoking gas, loaded as the fuck. Bitches the drip up in this bitch. Fuck that boy, how you feelin'? RDB, we with this shit, we really about that killing. We some real demons. Bitch, fuck those feelings. No matter what, we double back to make sure that we hit it. Make sure that we hit pussy, bitch, no, we ain't missing. Got a Glock on with a dick and pussy, bitch, no, you ain't feeling. Well, we gon' bend the block and pop his top and hit him with that leg. RDB finna take over. Pussy, bitch, we never
He
fuck
always
Steve.
cooking
Bend the
shit.
block and pop his top and double back on fuck again. I'm tryna get your partner if I miss you, know I'm on this trail.
10 times out of 10, pussy bitch, no, I ain't miss. I got aim like Johnny Dang. I can shoot an aim and a fucking bang.
Papa ring got the papa top and nigga talking out his head.
And flip the script and hit his bitch and hit him talking out his neck.
Papa top and hit a L.
Bitch, you know we on your ass. We done made the youngest flash, now they ain't no fucking ass. Like I said, I'm gon' pop on top and hit him in the neck. Pussy bitch, you better run, you better have your fucking vest. Swear to God, if you don't, I'ma leave you fucking stretch. Swear to God, pussy bitch.
Purchase your tracks today.
I swear to God, pop it top, make that nigga leave. Make that nigga bleed, make that nigga bleed.
Make that nigga bleed. He get hit with 223. He go fucking. He gon' need a fucking surgeon on the fucking scene.
Nigga in discussion.
He always cooking shit.